Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of
I
Let's
just feel
Play
like people
DayZ.
are complete noobs when they place
Okay,
their stuff, when they
bad
place
news
their
for you
tents in
guys.
big cities.
That guy I was running with last
that's a really dumb
night,
thing to do.
we got lost running back out of the town away
See,
from
I know
that guy that we thought was a hacker.
Right.
And it was just another 10 minutes of me running, so I just cut that part
Where
of the
would
video out.
where would your base be? I'm just
It was
like
pretty
wondering.
much too uneventful.
What?
But anyway, the show must go
Where would
on,
your
and
base
now
be?
let's continue.
No. Just looking for good places to hide my stuff. I'm trying to steal
Voice is
yours.
activated on this server. I'm probably going to have to change that in
It's only
future
got one
videos.
minute right now,
Either turn the
Get
voice all the
started
way
it,
down or just
and I ain't
switch
telling you
servers.
unless we're
I
on
don't
direct
know.
chat, so,
Yeah.
i.e. near me. So, not stupid.
Doesn't seem to be anybody here. But judging by
I'll
the
be
amount
in
of people
Turner in
on
about
this
10
server,
minutes.
I'd say there probably is somebody here.
I'll be in
You?
Electron in about 10 minutes.
I hear a helicopter.
Has you tried to get in the helicopter yet? You know?
I was about to, but then I got shot in the back twice.
Well, no, not. I mean, has the guy who killed you? Do you know anybody? If Melon's with
I
us,
have
try to
no
get in the
idea.
helicopter.
Oh my. Let's
You
get
hadn't
inside.
revealed it yet, right?
But there's still like probably a minute worth of fuel in, nah, like 30 seconds worth of fuel in there.
Dude, there can't be. When I got in it, it wouldn't even start.
I have no idea.
Helicopter just flew over me.
Little bird.
I think he's going towards Cherno. I'm near Electro.
Okay.
Little
bird then.
Anybody ever need fuel tank parts, just let me know and I can take you to
Yo, whoever's in the little bird, you wanna help me out? Go and kill Melonsworth.
Okay, is anyone near Otmel?
Oddmel, you go.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Go. I
don't
guess
like
west,
this,
and
that
you'll
kind
find.
of
It's alright, no, I mean Felicity Island. I'm like right across from it right now. I'm so fucking far away from everything. Can't even kill myself. The prep.
Hey, bandit.
Many people on side chat is getting kind of irritating, but oh well.
Sure, I'm gonna stay on the highway just in case there's a bike or something.
I hope I can find a Lee Enfield soon. I know everybody dislikes Lee Enfields, but honestly, I like them. Because it's a one-hit kill almost always.
Hey, is there any way to break your legs on hills?
Jump
yeah.
down.
Oh yes.
I've
there
tried
is.
that. It doesn't work for me. What if you like crawl on a
Vault up
rock?
the hill.
Farther than.
Why this
Vault
guy
up
is
the hill.
trying to break his leg is beyond me, but okay.
Vault up the hill.
Or vault into a tree.
Okay. I'll try it.
Why you want to break your legs in the first place?
That way I can
This is I
respawn.
think.
I'm in the middle of BFE.
Ooh, hatchet.
Drinking bleach.
Time to drop this,
Damn it.
A lot
I'm
of
on
bleach.
a highway in the middle of nowhere.
remove that from tool belt,
And
and
this
now I have
vaulting
a
into
hatchet.
tree thing won't work.
Nice.
It used
Now
to
I
work
can
maybe
really
they
defend
fixed it.
myself.
Well, I mean, I didn't try and kill myself, it just happened. And, like, there used to be so many.
I'm gonna try and crawl on the rock.
There's still a lot, but I mean,
Such an
it's getting
awesome,
better.
fun place. La, la, la. I'm running through the woods.
You mind breaking my leg already?
I'm running through the woods.
Son
I'm
of a
running
bitch.
through the woods. I'm not even gonna repeat that. That was just horrible. I have horrible singing skills.
Okay, I'll be in front of them.
I like flipping.
Wait,
Don't
I'm on the big
judge
rock.
me.
Goodbye, cruel world. Whee! Oh my god,
Who
he's
said
in
they
his
were
fucking-
getting? Who said they were getting shot at by the guy in Cherno by with the DMR? Then they backed off.
Me and Paul.
That was me.
I know I'm being kind of quiet, guys,
Did
but
he
I'm
try and
listening
lift off
to
the
you guys talk.
helicopter?
Might help me out a little
I
bit.
don't know.
I don't think so. If he could only have if he had fuel, because it was empty.
And plus, it gets hard to think of what things to say when you have
Yeah,
people,
some people
droning
some
on
people are
inside
dumb. So he
chat.
might have tried to lift off.
Oh, if this doesn't kill me, I don't know what will.
I can always come hatchet you if you want me to.
The pine slice splasher.
No, it'd be good for the video.
Fallout 3 reference.
Yeah, I know. I remember that. Fallout 3, good times. Uh-oh, no, no.
There's a couple of wheels and jerry cans at the Northwest Airfield. If you guys want any.
It worked.
Oh, shit.
Paul,
Whoever's in the little bird, I think he's gonna start chasing me now. Don't you dare, dude. Oh, God.
I just killed the guy with the 7 who's running up to the hill, and I think that guy was the one because I didn't shot the
Hey, guys, is the guy in the little bird a bandit?
Yeah,
He's just flying around.
he's really,
I think I'm gonna die.
Dude, the ground, it's like lighter than air, man. Dude.
I see the Cherno letters. I'm about to be there.
Wow. See, and this is
Okay,
why we
alright,
can't have
Paul,
nice
where are you going?
things.
Where are you outside?
I'd rather not tell him where I am. He can hear side chat.
Okay,
as
alright, well,
I don't want to have to do
alright,
this, man.
Just add me on really quick, dude.
How do you get a Skype? Do you have to
Okay.
pay for it?
Okay. Nah,
No, you don't have to pay for it.
Alright. I might get one. I guess. I don't know.
It's free, there's no
It's
reason.
like 30 megabytes
Oh, I'm
free
getting
and you can create an
kidnapped.
account.
This is
Like,
wonderful.
think of TeamSpeak, but it's like a more of a caller system.
Wait, what?
Can you spell out your name for me?
Is this guy a
Well,
hacker?
Like, just spell it out
Oh,
loud.
hackers galore, man.
A-L-E-X, right? C-R-A-V-E-R.
What's he
Alex
gonna do? What's he gonna
Vagina.
do?
Yeah.
What's he gonna do?
And then C-H-S after that.
Hello, Mr. Zombie. Please read me.
Just type it in chat, actually. Sorry. Alex Proberts.
What's he doing?
Nom, nom, nom. I'm tasty, aren't I?
Is he putting me in the freaking...
You sexy beast.
Oh, this is gonna be freaking... Oh, what is he doing? What? I am horribly confused.
Just sent you one, man.
I don't understand what this guy's doing with me. Really?
Alright, I added you to the call with my friend.
I'll be right back after a short break. Again.
Now I kind of don't really know how
I'm
to...
back. I have a friend and he's here again. To probably kill me again.
Is that my
Oh,
cue?
he wants me to get in. Wonderful. Kevin, why don't you introduce yourself while I'm being held captive?
Oh, hi everybody. I'm, Tiny.
You know what? You want me to call you Tiny?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be tiny.
Radical, man.
Dude, you're making this good for the YouTube video. Thank you. It'll get me more views. Haha.
Yeah, I'll just be your partner in crime, Tiny. That's it.
Oh no, I'm talking about the guy that has me in his freaking helicopter.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I do, but I was in the middle of talking when that all happened.
Wait, did I just kill you?
Cannot fire.
Yeah, same guy. Yes, I am indeed the same guy. That's alright, though. It made it interesting. No big deal. Oh. Oh, wait. Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Please tell me that's not you losing connection. Oh. Well, we find ourselves in a predicament here. He just lost connection and stuff.
Alright, dude, I'm in further RP, so I'm gonna be in a few minutes.
Oh. What? I'm floating midair with a hacker that just lost connection and yeah. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay.
Yay,
You got this.
Oh, hell. Well. That went nicely. That was awesome. I just escaped the hacker's clutches, dude. He freaking DC'd in his
Hey,
helicopter.
who was the
crash.
guy who was adding the other guy to the Skype and there was
That sounds awesome.
Into the woods I go.
Alex and Paul.
Have to run before he reconnects.
Alex or whatever.
I didn't have much of a choice. I'm sitting here unarmed, and here he
Alright,
comes
well,
with a
can I take
freaking
your Skype?
sniper
I want
rifle.
to say something to you. It's important. No, it's okay. Alrighty.
So what, does like Skype stay open in another window or something?
No, you can, to exit it, you can right click and just say quit, or you can sign out.
Guys, what just happened was absolutely amazing. And it was awesome
I'm
for
gonna
the
try to
video.
refuel this Huey now.
The dude who had that Huey, he just freaking kidnapped me because I respawned and they kidnapped me. And he DC'd in the middle of the air and I almost died with the helicopter, but I got out.
Nice. Thanks.
Yeah, that means the guy who's going around killing people is no more. At least for now.
Come on, farm, give me a gun. Flares. Ah, but dude, really? Come on. Douchebag. Act, dude, I'm friendly. Fuck.
So what did you say to call you Tiny?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm
Alright.
tiny.
I'm unarmed.
Well, guys, this is Tiny.
You're an asshole.
Hey, buddy.
Although I already said that. Or as your Skype used to say, hello
Whoever that
everybody.
punk that was shooting at me in Electro was, you fucking
Oh, yeah.
suck, dude.
Did you just hear that?
There's some crazy
Are
bitch with
are
a
you
hatchet
are
trying
you
to
in
kill me.
the are you in the server with me?
Yeah. No clue where I am, and I have a weapon for some reason. Wait, is this
This is an official server. So if you had a weapon from another server, you'll keep it here as long as you were on an official server.
Bitch,
Oh shit! Oh god! Oh god! A lot of zombies! A lot of zombies! Run! 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 Run!
Go away.
are you recording right now?
Yes,
Or-
I am. I am
Oh,
recording
okay.
right now. Going to get a good bit more footage tonight.
Okay, I hope you understand I have friends in Cherno that are gonna kill you when we get there.
Okay, did you just hear a vehicle? Was that on your end or his end or what?
Me?
I just heard a vehicle, I swear.
No.
Man. That was
I don't know
pretty-
where,
What just happened was pretty freaking epic. Oh, that was so awesome. That gave me the perfect chance to get away. I don't think I'll be dealing with that hacker again. But that was so awesome, dude.
Pretty much.
I mean, the first I
Crash
got
it
killed
out.
by him, but then it
That's
just
just
got
loading.
freaking awesome.
Yeah, yeah, that would be cool. You got kidnapped and then you escaped.
Hell yeah, I escaped, and you know why? Because I'm a boss.
Hell yeah.
Oh, wait, shh. Hold on. Shh. I swear to God, I keep hearing a vehicle. Oh, wait, no, that's on your end.
Give it the kid, bud. Give it the kid.
It's either on your end or on one of the people talking's end.
Okay, wait, no, I think I...
Chased by the female Slenderman rifle.
Okay, I think I fixed my my headset, so then now it isn't gonna play through my speakers and my headset.
Sniper guy, thank you for being my... Oh, hey.
Is the check vest pouch better than a patrol pack?
Absolutely not. I would rather have a hatchet than have a freaking double barrel shotgun. I hate double barrel shotguns
Check
on here, dude.
the inventory size.
I seriously
Open
do.
the backpack up. Check how much it stores. You're done.
Who are you talking to?
You.
Oh, I'm sorry. Where you at right now?
I kind of went inland.
Yeah, I'm near Nade something. I have no clue though.
How much you want to bet that hacker guy is probably following me?
Just lay down, sleep in a tree.
I'm thinking about laying down and sleeping somewhere.
Oh, there I am. Yeah, I'm kind of north of Cherno.
Okay. What, do you have a map? Did you get a hold of one or something?
No, I just used my Google powers.
Oh.
And
Cheater.
cheated.
Cheater.
Yeah.
Fail!
I'm gonna get
Fail!
banned for cheating.
What?
Everyone's gonna kick my butt.
I might just hatchet you in the face.
Uh,
Kill?
What? Did you just hear that too?
no.
Somebody spoke.
Yeah, there's like a bunch of people speaking on the server.
I know, right?
They're jabbering away. Jeez.
I'd come help you, but I actually am too far away. And they do need blood.
Yo, whoever's shooting at two guys.
I
like,
didn't realize I was in pain.
outside
Better
Toronto.
take painkillers. Yeah.
No, dude, he has a...
Yeah, what do you use to record your footage and,
Fraps.
Damn it, why'd you do that?
Oh, okay. Wait, can you edit with Fraps also?
No?
Okay, never mind.
Movie maker.
No, but apparently you're gonna have to wipe your ass and take a poop in the standalone.
Well, that was wonderful information, wasn't it?
Here, I'm bandaging you. Or we're
You get
both
to shave your
bandaging.
face, too.
To cap someone while they're shit.
I know.
You're like almost out of blood now.
Oh, what's your name in the game?
Kyle Miles 94. It's gonna be changing here soon to Psycho Kyle 94 though. I'm just too damn lazy to change it right now. I'm a lazy son of a bitch. You all heard it. You heard it straight from me. I'm a lazy son of a bitch.
Is there a way for me to mute them?
Yeah, but I'm not going to tell you because troll.
Oh.
This server would be so great if there weren't any hackers.
Holy fuck, I found a main rotor assembly for a fucking helicopter.
Holy shit, that's about as common as my human shit laying around the floor.
I don't see a lot of human shit in this game, so... I don't see a
Oh my god,
Found
that's
any
right.
hits this game.
Oh, there's actually two
Listen, just trust me, okay? Just trust me. Don't ask questions. Just trust me.
Yeah. My,
Go
like,
back.
ideal plan, because I'm such a noob, and I have no clue what I'm doing, I always want to get a camping tent, some matches,
Yeah, I know.
a hatchet, a hunting knife, and a crossbow with some bolts. And then just go camping.
Actually, except for the crossbow part,
Oh,
that's
whoever
not a
killed that
bad plan.
survivor
Most people
right up
want
my
that.
butt. Thanks. I needed a hatchet.
If you can
Yeah.
find all that, you're pretty well set. And I'm just gonna guess that I'm gonna come out here, and the hacker is going to destroy my life. But I don't care. I'm not going inland with such basic equipment. I don't even have food yet. So
And an awesome backpack.
Yeah. Yeah, if you could head by the coast, then we can meet up somewhere.
What the
And then
fuck?
we'll be
The fuck
two
came up and killed
buddies.
this guy?
I don't know.
if you say so.
By the way, there's some tents set up right north of Cherno, and in those fields, like in the wooded area, I found earlier today. I have some food and some weapons and shit in it.
Come with me.
Hey Matt, what do you need help doing, bro? I just ran by and pulled that up.
Now I can't hear him. Yay. That's good.
I don't mind hearing them. That way, if they tell me to stop moving, you know.
Maybe just up a little bit.
Have you ever played this game before?
That explains it.
Alright, what you want to do is you want to follow the road, put the water to your right, and follow the road all the way to Cherno, and hit the supermarket. I mean, if you die before, then who gives a shit? Just respawn and let me know where it tells you you spawn. But where you are now, you just want to put the water on your right and run as far as you can until you get to your first really big town. You'll see a huge
Whoa.
factory there, like, it's huge. So.
See back on?
Or you can do what I just did.
You're a
I came across
shadow.
dead body and he had a bunch
Shit.
of food and water on him, but it's dog eat dog world, bro. It can't give me any.
You can eat my pee-pee.
In a dog-eat-dog world, if you ain't no hero.
You gonna be a zero?
I admire
No,
his
I'm not gonna run with you. Here.
horrible skills at trying
I
to
don't
sing or
run with
whatever the hell
anyone.
he's trying to do.
Solo, lone wolf, and I kill
Yeah,
anyone I
pretty
see
good.
that has
I'm
a
getting more.
game
I
poster on
was
their
being
face.
very sarcastic when I said that. Actually, it kind of sucks. And I'm getting more lag tonight
As long
than
as you
normal.
have a hat on,
Are you
with
getting
your
any
shit
lag?
without
Why you
pantyhose
don't?
on.
Yeah, my frame rate's kind of.
My frame rate's at a solid 20, and it's normally higher than this, but I think with that freaking hacker on the server, he's dropping it.
Camping the Northwest is way more fun than camping Electro and shooting them stupid noobs. At least everybody you kill up there at least has night vision.
Yeah, I'm getting lag spikes around. Lag spikes around
Yeah, same.
a minute apart or so.
Same here. Oh, well, this is a predicament. It's a lot of zombies. Damn.
No, dude, run to the brown barn, where we were before, dude.
That was a quiet ass kill.
Just careful, everyone can hear you, man. We all know there's only one brown
Oh,
barn
crap.
in this game.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Can you just type?
Go, run,
I want
run,
a ghillie
run.
suit. Anybody got one? I can kill you for it. I just want to run around with a hatchet and a ghillie suit and troll people.
Run around with a hatchet and a ghillie. Sounds fun to me.
Yeah, I remember I once got like a double barrel, a ghillie suit, and a bicycle. It was the best adventure ever.
The Lumberjack Clan.
And over the fence.
Your humanity goes up.
Yes, it does, sir. You know the easiest way to kill a bandit?
Shoot him in the face.
Actually, no.
Corey, was that you, dude?
Whoa.
Oh, I love goblins.
He's
drawing
dead.
Zombies. They're so much fun.
see what's up here.
Anyways, the easiest way to kill a bandit
Nothing useful.
is to swing around the woods north of Electro and come up behind him and then whack him in the face with a hatchet.
Yeah. Killing zombies all day long.
Then you have
And front flip.
gear.
Yeah. Run, 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 run.
Oh, yeah, I want to jump over something.
I'm a freaking track star. Do you see this?
Trust me, I've done it.
I am
I
an
put up some
unstoppable
YouTube videos.
freaking track star. And if you don't like it, well, you're probably right and I'm probably not. But I don't care. I don't care. In my mind, I am a track star.
I'm eating sunflower seeds.
Nobody cares what you're eating. I'll
Oh,
kill you for him. I'll kill you. I'll kill you, man.
I feel like a little hillbilly. It's pretty cool.
You probably are a little hillbilly. I haven't met you before. I really can't tell.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
No, my YouTube channel has a bunch of shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
My whole channel will be dedicated to DayZ as soon as the standalone comes out. Only because it's
Whoa!
a game I play for a very long time.
God, man, freaking wouldn't hit him. Whew. That was just slightly not what I had hoped would happen.
I don't know, maybe it'll be used to wrap around her face to look like a bandit.
What's up, Yaris?
Yep.
Oh, found it.
Nope.
We're talking in
Nothing
Skype right
of
now,
use.
Yaris.
Oh,
I'll give you my Skype
Alright.
name.
Okay, now I'm completely lost.
I got to download Skype.
So you don't know where you are?
No, I don't.
That's my
Oh.
Skype name.
And I'm not going to DC to find out either. All I know is I just found another town.
Look at the signs.
Ah,
Paul, can I ask you a favor?
I'm a master at finding someone.
Why does my frames
Sarcasm.
keep dropping whenever I look at the freaking town?
Hmm.
It has to be because of hackers, because I've been on the server plenty of times with Fraps recording, and it did not drop like this.
I love it, I'm watching this bandit.
Okay, I have a hunting knife, and I see a goat. I'm gonna go kill it.
Turning around, so funny.
I don't care if I die, I gotta kill that goat.
Anybody help?
What do you need, buddy?
Why do I keep dropping below 20
I got
frames?
shot up pretty bad in Northwest. A bandit with a M14 silenced or whatever. it's
I
done,
can't do
and a
this
guy with
right
a
now.
DMR and
Either I'm gonna have
clothing.
to set my video
I was
quality
trying to ask them
down,
questions to see if they could
which
help
will
me
be
do
very
something, but,
unpleasing
they
to the
shot
people
me on sight.
watching, or I can just quit completely.
I can see no
Sounds
visual
about right.
blood in
And
the
I don't
car.
want to drop the video
Yeah,
quality,
it's
so
great. And here I
Wait,
know
you
where
died
the
in
hell it.
respawn?
Okay, I see the goat. I'm gonna shoot the goat. No.
sadly, I think I'm gonna have to end the Let's Play here.
But it's a good thing they
But
didn't kill
it
me
was
'cause
good. I was glad
they're
I could
probably
do
still
another
there,
one
but,
for you guys,
I'm kind of a
and
gooey right now.
this is Psycho, signing off.